baby. Hi, baby Tristan. How are you? Good? Are you good, little girl? How are you, baby Tristan? Oh, your baby Tristan. Wait. Did the baby go make some faces today? Where are you going? You're so cute. Did the baby have the hiccups? Jill, you're in the way. Did the baby have the hiccups? You guys see more? You guys see more? Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing?
The train went away. Train went away.
So Tristan here, she's going to be 8 weeks tomorrow, aren't you, baby Tristan?
No, she's 8 weeks.
Yeah. Nope, tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. So how is that?
Yeah, from there, baby. Yeah, from there.
Jill, hold on. I'm going to just move her up so she's not so uncomfortable. Hi. Look. Why are you moving?
What's wrong, little girl?
Are you hungry? Should move out of the picture. And go feed her. So that's her feet. That's the baby. So there's her feet. There's the baby. She's so cute. So where's her soother?
I don't know.
Because I want to play the little game with her.
Mom.
This morning, before we took the video, she had a big pooper bum. Very, very big. Very, very big.
Big poo-poo.
Wait, I need to find her soother. Where's her soother?
Where's your soother, baby? Baby girl, where's your soother?
Jill, get out of the way. I can't see her. Hi. Hello, baby Tristan. What do you do with your feet? What do you do with your feet? You go say something. Huh? You go say something. You gonna say something else? Anything else? Anything? You're so cute. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. What are you doing? Oh, I hear you. I hear you.
It's heartbeat, baby.
Yeah. Oh, look at that face. You're so cute.
You're looking at TV, baby.
You're looking at the TV. Yeah?
Now you get to look at TV too.
Are you excited that Auntie and cousins are coming today?
Yeah!
Go say something about that? Huh? Go make a funny face?
Are you gonna hug them and kiss them?
Well, don't take the camera away. You're
gonna hug them and kiss them?
Go say something
You're
about
gonna
that?
go like this.
Yeah, you're excited to come in?
Yay! Auntie coming.
Oh, yeah? What do you do with your
I
feet?
get you.
Your feet going everywhere. Your feet going everywhere. I got your feet. Oh, your feet are so cute. Anything else? You see something else? Go make a funny face.
Hello.
Is Tristan done? Is Tristan done? Yeah?
Yes, I think you are, my girl.
You want to watch TV now?
Yeah, I think she does.
Oh, you want to say something about that?
Or say something about TV.
Yeah.
You like your TV? Boop. Well, ours.
Boop. Are we all done?
Okay, I think we're done now.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.